it so bad, I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, bad, I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, I wanna shoot. Girl, you too bad for me not to press you, yeah. Young fly nigga, I don't follow all these rules, yeah. Bitch, I'm making tunes, I ain't missing, I won't lose. Let's go to an island where the water around is blue. I got two bad bitches in the coop. 42 in the bottle, glasses on full too. Ain't no games, I ain't playing, I want you, yeah. Take a trip, let's go shopping, I got blues, yeah. We got options you can choose. Yeah, you want it, I can buy it, ain't no rules, yeah. I'm just saying, let me help you upgrade you, yeah. Fuck that nigga, he don't care about you, yeah. Girl, move on. He can't treat you like I do, my money too long. I got homies for your friends and we can group on. We are early, hit our shot like Curry. Bitch, I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, bad, I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, I wanna shoot, yeah. What's the move with you? Where you move it? I'm sticking like some glue with you. Got you doing all the things he never do with you. Got the smile and the vibe, it's something new with you. We could take a jet back, I done set back, counting cash in the bumblebee, a yellow drop vid. I've been doing a lot of shit that they never tried yet. How your ice real frozen, you might get frostbit, yeah. I just wanna do the dash. I'ma always put you first, never put you last. Way you shake that ass, make me wanna throw some cash. Girl, you way too bad, throw that nigga in the trash. You know I'm gon' shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, bad, I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, I wanna shoot.
I think I'm in love, say it way too often. I can't play these games, think I'm switching up the offense. See me in LA, I be moving cautious. I can feel no pain, rolling up, I'm so exhausted. I be so exhausted, I be so exhausted, I close my eyes, I see the vision. All this weed and got me lifted. Pour four and then I finish tonight. I told my mama that I'm with it. Got it all like this, my kitchen. Middle finger to these bitches up, cause I'ma do it my way. Shit just like the flu, ayy. Shawty said she love me, I told her who are you, ayy. I ain't with that lame shit since I took at your brain, bitch. All these niggas talking, fuck about what they saying. GTA I'm wasted. Lately I've been anxious. I'm so done with this fake shit. I'm so done with you. I'm so done with you. I be so exhausted. I'ma roll another blunt, getting lost, I'm never found. Guess I'm never good enough for these bitches in my town. I don't really give a fuck, I'm a king like with my crown. Can't think about them all, cause it all gon' hold me down. I done made it through the storm, I ain't talking NBA. Mama knew I'd be a star, mama look what I became. I got Vaughn up on the phone, said he touchdown in LA. I'ma get it how I get it, I ain't changing for the fame. Man, I put it on my name. Lately I've been wasted, I'm so done with this fake shit. I'm so done with you. I'm so done with you. I be so exhausted. I've just been so lonely, 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 lonely. I've been so damn lonely. These niggas acting phony, 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 phony. Acting so damn phony. Just get out my way. Swerving through lanes, I be drifting away. And I can't complain, swear that I be okay. We are not the same, no, I'm never gonna change. I just keep going, no, I've been so broken. These niggas done changed, yet they knocking my flows in. All smiles, can't tell that my heart just been frozen. Stay low, low, low key, now don't cause no commotion. That's just for promotion, raw is my emotion. These songs that I'm composing, stay fly, that's cause I'm chosen. And I don't do the boasting, but all she do is post them. She like me cause I'm open, and I ain't off the potion. But I might be crispy like a white tee, meditated like Tai Chi, keep a check like Nike. Can't find a nigga that's like me, but I see. Fuck niggas that's high key, flying on me most likely. Can't fuck with me cause I'm icy. I've been so lonely, 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 lonely. I've been so damn lonely. These niggas acting phony, 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 phony. Acting so damn phony. Just get out my way. Swerving through lanes, I be drifting away. And I can't complain, swear that I be okay. We are not the same, no, I'm never gonna change. I'm leaning on the fixture, and I've been off the liquor. Sipping on that Remy with the Henny with a mixture. They follow me like scripture, and I've been getting quicker. Been had the upper hand, I hand to hand it like we never gon' fall. All my brothers on call. We forever gon' ball. No, it's nothing at all. I've just been so lonely, 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 lonely. I've been so damn lonely. These niggas acting phony, 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 phony. Acting so damn phony. Just get out my way. Swerving through lanes, I be drifting away. And I can't complain, swear that I be okay. We are not the same, no, I'm never gonna change.
I got so much drinking me, wonder if you missing me. These days I can't fucking sleep, cause damn, I'm out here living dreams. If I send this text of mine, shawty, is you down to slide? Don't say not tonight, cause you be busy, tell another lie. I done seen this thousands of times, I retype like thousands of lines. We done did this thousands of times, so I ain't tryna choose another time. Shawty, tell me now if you be really tryna slide. Tired of this shit, yeah, finna flood my wrist, yeah. I'm writing all these hits, but I wonder what I'm missing. I could never call you my little baby, no. When I drop, I wonder if you say my songs. Cause every time we fucking, we done came and went. But I'm the type to kill for my baby, yeah. I don't care about no fucking Rollie or Mercedes, yeah. Need somebody that really ride or dies with me, yeah. But I don't get in my feelings, I get in my bag. Shawty, if you dumb me, no, we can't go run it back. They ain't the first bitch to do the run around. I'ma debut first, shawty, how that sound. I got so much drinking me, wonder if you missing me. These days I can't fucking sleep, cause damn, I'm out here living dreams. If I send this text of mine, shawty, is you down to slide? Don't say not tonight, cause you be busy, tell another lie. I done seen this thousands of times, I retype like thousands of lines. We done did this thousands of times, so I ain't tryna choose another time. Shawty, tell me now if you be really tryna slide. Said I'm tired of all the acting and the bullshit. Girl, hit me back or I'll be back with a new biz. You know they trash, but you recycling the same dick. Girl, you stay shameless, bringing up they fucking names, bitch. I can't put my pride to the side this time. Before I blow up, I'm just tryna make you mine. But if you wanna pay me for my tickets, that's fine. All you gotta do is not reply. I can't wear no heart up on my sleeve, cause it's summer, baby. Only rock basic white tees, try and break a milli. I got women lined up on the silly to get faded with me. They get just as freaky in the sheets, try and get naked for me, yeah. I got so much drinking me, wonder if you missing me. These days I can't fucking sleep, cause damn, I'm out here living dreams. If I send this text of mine, shawty, is you down to slide? Don't say not tonight, cause you be busy, tell another lie. I done seen this thousands of times, I retype like thousands of lines. We done did this thousands thousands of times. So I ain't tryna choose another time. Shawty, tell me now if you be really tryna slide.
What's good, guys? How you guys doing? We are back for the first live of 2024 of February. So first live of February. Market did open. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna put the mic right there. Okay, so market did open very aggressively to the upside, taking a high, then straight going lower. To be honest, I might not be engaging today. Just simply because there was some sort of opportunity when we break that low. I'm not sure if I want to take it because it's quite low within the market. And if I look at the overall order flow, I mean, we have huge minus delta. We've had a huge delta rotation. But I'm still, how would I say that? I'm still some sort of a buyer on NQ or on the indexes, to be honest. So this is why, I might be just looking for a buy setup with, of course, some more like confirmation on the 5 minutes. Because as you can see in the whole range, we are very low. If I take this low and this high, we might reach for this low, but we are pretty low in the market right now, so I'm not really into trying to sell it, even though I guess we've had some good opportunities around here, but since it's very low, it's not part of my playbook personally. I might just rather wait for like the ES to break its lows, because that's the thing. ES did not break the low of the day yet, and Nasdaq did already. So this is why I'm not really comfortable on entering right away. So we'll see how it goes.
Stardust season. I need my chairman, he always gon' remind. I had to bust out some raps for the one time. Think I'm flexing, I only do sometimes. I need to be gas on my wrist like it's lunchtime. I had to bust out some racks. Show me they fix so I can't get attached. I'm a Carolina boy, now we up on the map. But it's Hershey, a fan, I won't get on my lap. No, I'm the kid, it's just hop on the spaz on the track, never lying, they know that's a fact. I had to bust out some racks. A girl on my line, but I never be here in the back. Bust on the road, but I got back on track. Let me switch when I'm knowing the cap.
As you can see here, you see we hit it very hardly on the ask, and market did follow up and push through a little bit more, about like 40 points to the downside.
She liking my style, may need me a show to go light in the crowd. We been
Yeah, that's pretty much it. I see that the low on ES is a higher low, and on Nasdaq it's a lower low. So this is why I'm not really 100% confident on selling the market right away. It could be a great opportunity, to be honest, especially understanding the fact that um, that we aggressively break value area low and break the low very aggressively. Um, but since we're very low in the market already, 650, it's quite low. I would rather wait and see if we can get some sort of like reversal to look for the current or the new high of the day, which is 1770. Delta is getting hit pretty hard. But if you look at the minimum delta, it's almost flat, so this is why I'm not really comfortable into selling it right away. 55 plus 67. So yeah, we'll need the market to price back down to 605 in order to make that happen. And that's the M15, which could be also a great place to enter, but I'm just gonna be honest with y'all. I'm not really comfortable on like setting the low. Even if we broke, you see, we broke the low, right? But I'm really not comfortable of setting it right away.
Do what I want, I'ma do it forever. Yeah, I want it all, nothing less. I could do what he do, but I'm doing it better. Yeah, mix match the chrome with Marshall. I can say what I want, I don't fall for the drama. Nah. New girl, California. She be driving California. She want me like the vaccine. I made a check, didn't need no degree. I prove them all wrong, who didn't believe. Do it myself, I don't need no team. No kid, no scholar. Hey, made me go farther. You can say what you want, but I'm still unbothered. Go down, get back
If
up.
I look at ES, it's pretty much doing the same thing, but there is some sort of like divergence between both assets. So this is why we might gonna just back off, and also it's the first trading day of the week, so we won't be really aggressive.
Baby, it's all over. Wanna hop inside the road. Too fine, you belong in the spotlight. Go out every night is a highlight. Dark times right now, you a sunshine. I changed my life when I got rid of problems. I changed my life when I added a comma. Flying to Vegas to meet at a conference. I'll take a risk and I'm confident. I'll face my fear and I'll conquer it.
That's the micro. So on the micro, we break that high. We made a lower low. We break that high. We did not came back to that inefficiency.
That's my persona.
So we've hitting the bid, and market tends not to really rally us up. With 103,654, 54 we've hit the bid, and market is not going higher. That's why it's really important. I hope everybody's hearing me well. Yeah, that's about it. Nothing much right now to be trading in. Basically, personally, my point is that we might be attract, like, I have a target for like the weekly target might be like 793. If we get some sort of like good confirmation to go along with it. You see, we'll wait for the close. We'll wait for the close and see what's what. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm still gonna be uploading the video that I've talked to you about for like the month of January. Didn't get to find the time because we are also developing an algorithm and I have a bunch of video to record to send to our engineer, so it's not very easy to take the time and record a video. I might just do like an unfiltered video with my phone or a random camera, right? So we can get through those data, because those data I did like collected them. I made a spreadsheet with this data. I made like pretty much everything that needed to do for the video, but I just simply need to record it and talk to you about like how it's been, how was like what problems that I faced, everything like the, the the speed bumps and everything during that journey. That's pretty much it. So this might be cancelled, and we're still had a very great entry at the 54, but since it's very low in the market, I'm not really driven too much by it. It's 605 should be the final target. But today, honestly, I will be trying to stay like one-sided. Because we did not reach even like the 17,773, we didn't even reach them. Which is why I'm pretty like trying confident to be like buying the market, but I will need to wait for the right time. Okay. So you see, this could be a really great opportunity. It could have been, I'm saying, could have been. That's a zone that I draw in on the M15. Okay, so ES did not break the low yet. So you see, this is why I'm really not 100% confident on those type of trades. We didn't even draw on the low for ES yet. Like, we didn't even take the low. This is why I'm really not confident. But great thing is that we have that new we have a new high that's right there, which is a lower high. Same thing for ES, it's just that we didn't break the low yet. I hope you guys hearing me well. I don't need to very too much to talk louder than I am right now. And yeah, we'll see how it goes.
She wanna kick it like Ronaldo. Flew her right out of the state on Monte Carlo. Pink slips, we don't even got a car, no. I've been drinking out this liquor in my sorrow.
And we were still in the like 4-hour inefficiency, so this is why also I was not really into selling the market as well. Okay, so that's something that we usually watch. Well, when we've reached a certain level and we've hit the ask hardly and the market does not go down, just like this. Hold on, I'm gonna be right back.
Tell me, baby, what you trying to do? I've been outside, what's the move? Look into my eyes, it's me and you, and that's the truth. You wanna kick it like Ronaldo? Flew her right out of the state on Monte Carlo. Pink slips, we don't even got a car, no. I've been drinking out this liquor in my sorrows. She wanna kick it like Messi. She be trying to text me. Nothing been the same since the day that you left me. Now I'm on top, I've been whipping in a Tessie. She been playing games, no scrimmage, trying to text. You wanna kick it like Ronaldo? Flew her right out of the state on Monte Carlo. Pink slips, we don't even got a car, no. I've been drinking out this liquor in my sorrows. She wanna kick it like Messi. She be trying to text me. Nothing been the same since the day that you left me. Now I'm on top, I've been whipping in a Tessie. She been playing games, no scrimmage, trying to test me.
Feel like what we had was different. We was caught up in each other. Guess I should've seen a difference. Was caught up with another. Don't know how I'm dealing with it. Don't know how I'm gonna recover. Guess I gotta cut my losses or else I'm just gonna suffer. The damage was done and you weren't the one. This shit was all over before it begun. The ship went and sunk and so did our love. Always forever was short like I thought. So long until we meet again. So long, I don't need you, my friend. So long, I got 3 in the bend. So long, I'ma bitch a party, call her Fiesta. She wanna skirt off in back of the Tesla. Way too fast, I've been missing every rest stop. If we got a problem, send the niggas at your head top. We ain't in the same range, we ain't in the same game. Little nigga Paul Pierce tryna step to MJ. I ain't finna say no name, better stay up in your lane. I've been sunning all these niggas, they don't wanna hear these niggas never ballin'. Broke boy facts, but my money always calling. Finna call back, on my back they put a target. What you call that? I just been a better artist, they won't talk back. Real chat, I've been doing what I want, with no problem from the jump. It don't matter what I'm dropping, all these niggas finna bum. They be fighting over crumbs, I can never be with them. Add up all they fucking totals and you still won't get my sum. And these niggas sleeping on me, so I call them siesta. Shorty want it all, but I just had to next up. Said she had a friend and they want a trifecta. She be going hard like a fucking siesta. I see your bitch a party, call her Fiesta. She wanna skirt off in back of the Tesla. Way too fast, I've been missing every rest stop. If we got a problem, send the niggas at your head top. We ain't in the same range, we ain't in the same game. Little nigga Paul Pierce tryna step to MJ. I ain't finna say no name, better stay up in your lane. I be sunning all these niggas, they don't wanna hear me play. I be winning every time, even with a head start. Niggas think they making hits, they ain't in the ballpark. They be trying to make it on, but they really fall hard. You ain't even in my zone, how you think that you a star? There's a real fine line between the confidence and cockiness. I promise that the difference lies how often they be talking it. Fuck around and do it, niggas swear that I be walking it. And they don't want no problems, but they acting like they starting it. They living the facade, always wanting what I got. Morgan Freeman, how they acting, always wanna play a part. I don't know if I'm a sign, like the treaty of Versailles. At this point, I've been at war with all these niggas. I say, yo, bitch, a party, call her Fiesta. She wanna skirt off in back of the Tesla. Way too fast, I've been missing every rest stop. If we got a problem, send the niggas at your head top. We ain't in the same range, we ain't in the same game. Little nigga Paul Pierce tryna step to MJ. I ain't finna say no name, better stay up in your lane. I've been sunning all these niggas, they don't wanna hear me play.
Yo, won't stop shooting till the whole thing's empty. Better take this L like MP or Zeki. Swinging my blade, don't tempt me. Farm blocks, late night, no entry. Sentry, Pookies, all in the rest. Yo, man gets sort like Jezzy. 5 AM getting it for murder. No further, you got John, no wellies. Tony got John, no wellies. No bullet, so we can't see clear. Foot on the clutch to get. Wine on the window, they all disappear. The neighbors like, what happened here? Donny got shaved, but he still got hair. Big drip, little drip got tear. Got me with Lurk, you be had big man scared.
Shotgun man, slap man, boot it, tune man down, now it's Canada's ruined. Don't think we can sleep on the voyage, we came right back and it done 2 beatings. Chilling the same spot, what are you doing? They just don't learn like stupid students. Spot any ops, don't think, just do it. 100% Broski's gonna shoot it. Hop at the ride, he's dashing, catch him, beam man up and then vanish. Few Biggie B, well known savage, pull up on them and of course they panic. Next day, me and Nabs went on alert. Didn't see nothing, just one little stranglers. This beef is frying, don't get caught lacking.
Yo.
Out too late, oh damn, he's
I
capping.
see Broski watching, catching, mopping. Hopped out the ride and chopped him. They get back, dropped him. Everyone's flossing, gassed up, OT bopping. Machine gun shopping, shotgun locking. 2 hands bow and popping. My auntie still ask if I'm fine. A lot's on my mind, but the money ain't stopping.
Due to get long when corn starts flying. Bucket the A, don't expect kindness. Riding, I find it exciting. Knife it, somebody's dying. Pipe it, babe, stop piping. Cause it come down if I ride, he's riding. Bad, come to the nist for a piping. Leave it a little bro, swipe it.
Without, that's my big pal. He's on violence, he don't make no sound. Spin the whip, give a fuck by the crowd. If you chill with the ops, you ain't making me proud. Bro, what's wrong with this child? He got his time to still runs his mouth. Cause he comes to the end, if Broski's riding, then I'm riding, no doubt. I got hella length things from south, just brought their back and open mouth. Blue bando, I don't chase
Okay,
no
my
clout.
bad.
See the op, he
We
smoke
got a
burn out.
customer that steps
Broski
in.
got nick like how. Just whistle
So what I was like explaining before is when we hit the ask, when we've hit the ask very hardly like this, at a key level, which was like the low right there, it could be really nice for like a reversal. So like basically we trap the ones that like hitting the ask very hardly, and then we manage to reverse the market like very hardly. So like, yeah, if I look at ES right now, looks the same, but I still have that lower low on the NQ. Okay, so what happened basically? So we went to that low, withdraw here, then we went higher, we came back to that high. Can we assume that we broke that high right there? I'm really not sure, to be honest. But on the 5 minute, I've got ES breaking its highs. So I've got a lot of traffic today. So it's not very.
Shotgun man, slap man, boot it, chew man down, now it's Canada's ruined. Don't think we can sleep on the volume, we came right back in it, done two beatings. Chilling the same spot, what are you doing? They just don't learn like stupid students. Spot any ops, don't think, just do it. 100% bro, he's gonna shoot it. Hop at the ride, he's dashing, catch him, beam man up and then vanish. Free Boogie B, well-known savage, pull up on them and of course they panic. Next day, me and Nabs went on alert. Didn't see nothing, just one little strangers. This beef is frying, don't get caught lacking. Out too late, oh damn, he's capping.
Broski watching, catching, mopping. Hopped out the ride and chopped him. They get back, dropped him. Everyone's flossing, gassed up, OT bopping. Machine gun shopping, shotgun locking. 2 hands bow and popping. My aunt used to ask if I'm fine. A lot's on my mind, but the money ain't stopping.
Due to get long when corn starts flying. Bucket the A, don't expect kindness. Riding, I find it exciting.
So yeah, that's a tricky part. That's really tricky because we did not break that high. We've made a new fair value on the M5 as well. So we're like 627, 33. $33, so 30. What do we have around the 30?
I see Broski watching, catching, mopping. Hopped out the ride and chopped him. They get back, dropped him. Everyone's flossing, gassed up, OT bopping. Machine gun shopping, shotgun locking. 2 hands bow and popping. My aunt used to ask if I'm fine. A lot's on my mind, but the money ain't stopping.
Okay, so you see, we've hit it very hardly the ask. We did not push the market lower. We hit the bid here on the high. We pushed the market lower. Now we have some sort of a new like fair value or inefficiency that we call it. It's right there. If you look at the M15 right now, the candles are like still respecting that whole huge inefficiency. So we'll wait for that candle to close first and see how it goes.
Best believe if we got smoke, you know it's up. Nowadays, my niggas pushing Balenciaga, yeah, the trust. If you boys really want drama, I'ma tell they ass pull up. I don't fuck with many niggas, so I keep the hammer tucked. I just really want the bucks. I don't need to say too much. My gun's a thotty, it's a slut, yeah, slut.
So we've got about 3 minutes before the close.
I just really want the bucks. I don't need to say too much. My gun's a thotty, it's a slut, yeah, slut. cause it's gon' blow you till it's dust, yeah. Dust, yeah. I call a Uber if I drink too much, yeah. Hit these niggas with a Ruger, I don't play too much. My mama told me since a kid don't let them play with ya. Came in this game with my niggas and they hating us. Whoa, I got the juices like I'm high C. And shout out Brian, that's my nigga, that boy Brycey. I need a meal, I might just do it, call me Nike. These boys my son, I know they wanna be just like me. I just really want the bucks. I don't need to say too much. My guns are thotty, it's a slut, yeah. Slut, cause it's gon' blow you till it's dust, yeah. Dust, I just really want the bucks. I don't need to say too much. My guns are thotty, it's a slut, yeah. Slut, cause it's gon' blow you till it's dust, yeah. Dust, if you know it blow you up. Yeah. Best believe if we got smoke, you know what's up. Nowadays, my niggas pushing Balenciaga, yeah, the trust. If you boys really want drama, I'ma tell they ass pull up. I don't fuck with
Okay, so
many
we've got
niggas,
1
so
minute
I
before the
keep the
close.
hammer tucked. I just really want the bucks. I don't need to say too much. My guns are thotty, it's a slut, yeah. Slut, cause it's gon' blow you till it's dust, yeah. Dust, I just really want the bucks.
So there was a low, we've taken that low, we've had an efficiency, we are not breaking that high. If you look at the M15, you see it's not looking really nice.
Lost it all, I look back at all the memories. Miss you most, without you I have no energy. Can't control all my thoughts, they eat away at me. I can't run.
38.
Lost it all, I look back at all the memories. Miss
So we have consistent data, so we might shoot for it.
can't control all my thoughts, they eat away at me. I can't run. I'm cold, so much has been untold. Let the story unfold. I don't wanna fall down.
We have a body that did respect it.
I don't wanna hurt you. Can you tell me the truth? I can't do this all again. Can you make it okay? I don't know if you can save me now. I might flow away. I'm too high up on my lonely cloud. Gone too far today. You can find me in the lost and found. Please just stay away. You're the only thing I care about. Lost it all. I look back at all the memories. Miss you
See how that next candle did close.
no energy. Can't control all my thoughts, they eat away at me. I can't run. Lost it all, I look back at all the memories. Miss you most, without you I have no energy. Can't control all my thoughts, they eat away at me. I can't run.
So what's going to happen? We might be waiting for market to reprice in that 35 area. If it can.
Take my heart every day and then go. It's my fault cause I can't let you go. I was good when you leave, I feel low. Up at night thinking about if you'll go. Take my heart every day and then go. It's my fault cause I can't let you go. I was good when you leave, I feel low. Up at night thinking about if you'll go. Up all night, drunk and high. Wasting all my time till I see your eyes. Wanna stay by you cause you are my life. Pushing through it all till I reach the sky. Running circles
So
in
the plan is for it to break its high actually, because we made the lower low, but we did not break that high. So this is why I was not really into engaging right away.
I feel alone again without you.
We still have nice volume, we have a nice delta that it's evolving, so let's see if it keeps gonna be pushing the price higher. But it's tricky because we did not break the high, so this is why I was not really trying to engage on that one. But if you look at the micro side of the things, so we've made that lower low, we came all the way up, we're not breaking the high, we'll trace back here. So basically that's the whole new range, and I want to see how price trades in that new range.
But I ain't gonna lie, yeah, sometimes I've been feeling stuck. You ever felt so down that you don't believe in love? But I can't this far, so why would I ain't feeling good? But you know it already. Then I with my bitch, and she said she already. And the fans want me to win, so I know we already. Lord, give me mercy already. Show up the show, man, it's been too many. L after L, man, I guess I had plenty. When I was at my lowest, it was popping up confetti. And I don't wanna talk it, all this shit get too heavy. And that's my life, yeah, you know I'm mad. Gotta take what's mine, don't put you in last. Gotta clear my eyes, had to get out the gas. And before this COVID shit, yeah, we put on masks. But I know one thing is for sure, I gotta get these racks up. And they gon' snake you for your cash, gotta keep it stashed up. And always stay one step ahead, never let them catch up. I remember when they just think about 10 plays, man, I'm tryna go platinum.
So if you look at the M15, so we have a nice respect of that whole inefficiency. Okay, so that's the thing that I'm looking for.
Fuck around, hate them bitches, suckers know I'm ballin'. But I been moving all them fast, you know he hollin'. Bitch, that when I'm walking, extra steady calling. My new bitch, Jeremy, know he fuck until the morning. They be saying that's my brother, way a lot, now it's down, I ain't convinced. Know they riding on the dick, cause the road popping like a bitch. Ain't had nobody, I was dolly every day, I reminisce. I had to do something to get rich, this shit go quick, we hit a switch. Had to get to it, man, that makes it not a nothing. Know that pussy where they drippin', that shit bustin'. How you gon' fuck with me, you pop out of the sudden. Fuck 'em, I can't trust them, love me all of a sudden. Leave me alone, I'm fucking tired of this shit, just let me be. And I can love no bitch, but she know I'm a boss. Funny bitches tryna act like I feel something, but they ain't shit nothing. Shit, if I like what you gon' already
So let's try to jump in. Yes, looking good. The fact that he has broke the high and not MQ, it's quite a tough decision right now.
She hit my phone like, babe, I love you, wait a minute. Oh, there's a time for everything, and that's the truth. You love somebody, then you turn into a whore. That love shit kinda fake, fuck it all, now been lonely. Bitch, you let the kid out hanging broken hearted. Kinda crazy how the flow we done on party. And now the treated, you know, less hit than a queen. You ain't really fuck with me until I blow. We my haters suckers, hope y'all know I hear you. Sitting on West and doing shit, how I'm gon' feel you. Got his money with a new bitch to my left, to my right. Talking down, we come around and watch it flinch. They be saying that's my brother, way loud, now it's down, I ain't convinced. Know they riding on the dick, cause the road popping like a bitch. Ain't had nobody, I was dolly every day, I reminisce. I had to do something to get rich, this shit go quick, we hit a switch. Had to get to it, man, that makes it nothing out of nothing. Know that pussy where the dripping, that shit bustin'. How you gon' fuck with me, you pop out of the sudden. Fuck 'em, I can't trust it, love me all of a sudden.
So yes, breaks the low short term.
Order me a pack, then I gotta meet up. Police right behind me, so I had to speed up. Sitting in the back of the Tahoe, leaned up. We just crossed the border, drinking margaritas. What you want? A new salon. Let's do my song, put you on. I break you off. I want the job. If you sneaking on a nigga, I'ma find out. Whip it right out. 20 bitches in the Jeep, they had to climb out. I got a confession. I just want your best friend. Take it to the western. Everything expensive. I be on my grind, I'm never resting. Stop with all the questions. Shorty, who you pressing? The only thing that's pressed, and they diamonds on my necklace. I can stretch you out, like a yoga session. This is my
Order filled.
pussy like holy water, I bless it. I drink the water, pouring on
Order filled.
Okay, we'll jump into this one and see how it goes. We have the bodies that have been respecting that gap. And that's the only trade that I will be trying for today. Entering a little bit late. We'll just see how it goes, huh? 41, it's very late. Very, very late. Especially if market decide to chop, we're very late. I got it at 38 on the first one. I will go for like 686, 687. But if we not manage to break that high, that first high, I'm just gonna close off manually. Now we look at the order flow. It's looking positive. If I look at the order flow, we've got 4 minutes to go. Don't have a huge amount of volume as well. So in 5 minutes, if we don't have that up close, I'll just close manually with a small stop.
Send me your location, girl, I'm pulling up, girl, we going out of state, popping bottles, turning up, baby, what it do, baby, go send me your bodies, let it do, tell me where you at, send me your location, girl, I'm pulling up, girl, we
we have hard time breaking the high. If that one closed down, our mind will close it. Yeah. How many bars it's been? 1, 2, 3, 4. We're on the 5th bar. We're on the 5th bar. We'll see how it goes. Okay. Yeah, I think we're off. It closed down on the ES. I don't have a huge delta rotation. The market is very choppy. Now we look for an exit potentially. As you see, the market is not pushing higher. If you look at the 5 minutes. Yeah, it's not looking great. As you can see, they will struggle to push higher. Okay, I'm gonna come back.
Life ain't easy when you young. And we pop out just for fun. Got no stress, yeah. I know that I'm the one. Yeah, no fun, yeah. Poolside in the sun, yeah. One choice, new life, different city, different size. Took a lot to have bad thoughts, but I swear money feeling nice. Life going crazy. I swear that house be amazing. Yeah. These women be crazy. Yeah. So hope, get the fuck up on my DMs. Beat it. Haters, I don't see them. Chopper on me 40 clip. Wipe your nose like Kleenex. Yeah. I'm tryna be what I'm dreaming. Can't fall asleep, I ain't eating. Oh, yeah.
Okay. So we've got 2 minutes before the next 5-minute close. And ES is not pushing higher. So this might not be a good trade. Yo bro, $50, I don't think it's good to start trading, to be honest.
Stop filled.
Okay, we're out on the second account.
Stop filled.
I'm out on everywhere. Yeah, it was not looking really nice because we didn't have that break of that high. But yeah, $50, bro. To be honest, $50 is not really nice. I mean, you can start off with $50, but you're just gonna be like trying to practice. I don't know, like the mechanical entry is not gonna be a good way to make money. Uh, if you start with $100, you can start it with CFDs and such and whatnot. Hold on, give me one sec, bro.
Life ain't easy when you young, and we pop out just for fun. Got no stress, yeah, I know that I'm the one. Yeah, no fun, yeah.
We might have something interesting.
One choice, new life, different city, different size. Took a lot to have bad thoughts, but I swear money feeling nice. Life going crazy, I swear that penthouse be amazing. These women be crazy, so hold, get the fuck up on my DMs. Beat it, haters, I don't see them. Chopper on me,
But what I was saying is that yeah, $100 you can start, but with CFDs, that they won't give you the opportunity to start with the small capital, and you're gonna be playing with the CFD game. So make sure you're on a regulated broker. 36. Okay, I might go in again. Because we have nice response. Ah, that's unfortunate.
Let me sip on my tropical juice and let me smoke this tropical weed. I got the medicine
Ah,
flavor.
that's
Don't care
unfortunate.
that the
So
shit
I'll
comes cheap.
probably rather
So
wait
bitch,
for it
don't
to break
moan
the high
when I charge
first.
15 for a D.
We've had a good
Selling when the
position,
rent
but
is
it
zone.
touched
Grind
the
hard, can't
stops
stone these
and ran
streets.
off.
Mishmash and I'm doing it all. Dip stash and I'm getting in peak. I'm in the field all day. No time for these stupid neeks. Come, bitch, come my way.
But
Just watch how veteran
if you need
speaks.
anything,
That's
just
what
let
they
me
look
know,
for my
bro.
prey. Ravens
But
don't
yeah,
want me
with
to eat.
$100, you're just
When
gonna
I
be
got two man,
practicing like risk
I was trying to show you
management.
my P, but
So
they
if you
bitches on
can
me, so you know
handle
can't
risk
lie. The
properly
J
with
boys
the
really on my back, got me
$100,
in and out
then
court, me
probably in the
feeling the cut.
future you will be
Man, it's all my
more
fault, but I'm always
comfortable
getting caught like I'm better
for
than that.
trading
The feds got like
a
Cal
higher
in the
amount.
gang, free R1, free match, free Taz. Rest in peace with my brothers, RP Jets, RP T bands. I barely sweet one with a mean kickback. When I think about my bros, aye, RP with my brothers, gorgeous thing, amazing round. Smiles when the pack came in, now we gotta break this down. In and out with the gorgeous thing, that was an amazing round. What she do with that shit? I didn't even make a sound. Couple draw outs came in, now we gotta take them out. Don't slip, come on niggas got it no doubt. Stay stocked up, real shit, the plug don't see no drought. Bro said he gotta move, cool, show me the ins and outs. Said quick, we're in and we're out, if he's giving it up, then we're putting him down. Real trap nigga, I'm grabbing them packs and I push
Ah,
it
that's
around.
unfortunate.
If the line goes stiff, then I'm hitting the strip and I percolate
Probably
pound.
also okay.
Said he
So the
got bits of
mistakes
the
I
love, got
probably
bits of
did
the love, got a
enter
ring right now.
quite
I'm
late.
trying to make a killing right now.
Uh,
Fuck that bitch, I ain't with it right now. Why this
I
bitch
should
wanna grab
have,
on my
let's
jump?
say, entered
I thought I was a
around
one hit
32,
wonder.
30.
Now she
I
calling
said
me a
30
one hit
because
wonder.
it
I
was
hit that
the
once and where I went
original
out wonder.
insight on the 5 minute.
I ain't social fucker.
Was the
Don't
30
write this
around
down,
that
replies.
area
All these replies only gonna get
right there.
bladder. Other side with some fantasy now.
That's
Shit, you
my
don't really wanna
mistakes.
butt this cutter. I love going round on a gorgeous glide, trying to see a gorgeous number. My mum don't like how I play with knives. Well, I'm real sorry, mother. But I would have no
And
joke,
yeah,
wouldn't
this
take
should
my
have
life,
been
so
the
for now I
trade.
gotta stay with my other. Smiles when the pack came in,
32.
now we gotta break this down. In and out with the gorgeous thing,
So
that was
yeah,
an
this
amazing
might have been
round.
the trade. Go to the
What she do
80.
with that shit? I didn't even make a sound. Couple draw outs came in, now we gotta take them out. Don't slip,
Oh my
come on
gosh,
niggas got it no doubt.
shit happens.
Stay stocked up, real shit, the plug don't see no drought. Bro said he gotta move, cool, show me the ins and outs. Said
It's
quick,
okay,
we're in
bro.
and we're out, if he's
But
giving
I
up.
think I'll be pretty much be missing that trade, to be honest. Missing the trade put it very too much to the tick. It touched the stops, then went back on, went back off. And usually when that does happen, I get the tilt very easily. So if I do not reassess, I might just, stop trading for the day to make sure I don't do any sort of stupid mistakes, right? Or I'll just wait for a better setup. Let's say we break the high, leave that same inefficiency, and we go higher. But yeah, that's about it. Thanks, bro, for spreading love on the live, bro. Really appreciate it. Mr. Powell. Thanks, bro. Much love. Yeah, the entry was around the 30. Means the top does are about 1 ticket. Right there, right on the stops. So yeah, the mistakes that I entered really late, I should have waiting for the market to breathe a little bit out within that inefficiency. Yeah, this was like a wrong stop loss placement. Totally wrong. But usually I'm not trying to chase price when that happens. But you can keep in mind that how it can be frustrating when that happens. But usually when I try those type of trade, it's only like one shot to reach, because we're very low in the market, and since market hasn't been moving too much since like 10 a.m. I won't be looking for any other type of moves because technically it should have been like already like push higher very fast. So I'm not gonna try to fight it, to be honest. But yeah, that's about it. I'll end the live, and that's all for me. That's all for me. That's all for me, because usually entering here when price does expand, break that high, I would have like break even, so I'll be risk free anyway. But here it's a stop loss misplacement, I would say. And we'll see how markets develop later on. And for the PM session, we'll reassess. All right, thank you for everybody that's staying with me. It was really nice, and I wish you have a great trading. Okay.
Shorty, she see that I'm on. Already know that I'm paid. I've been a beast, I just got off the leash and I'm breaking right out of the cage. She wanna hop on the wave. Told her to hop on my face. It's too late for that. The way you be acting, I don't need to find a place for that. Gave you a part of my heart, I wish I could take it back. Wish I could take it back. If we just facing facts, showing love is too late for that. It be too late to show me all your love. It be too late for the kisses and hugs. Play with my heart, baby girl, you a dog. Say you want me, but I know it was lost. Let a boy fly, he lit, he up. All of a sudden, I'm her number one. Top of the list, no, I cannot forget what those shawty was like when I didn't have none. Back in the days, I was down on my luck. Ain't nobody around me. I went out of my way just to give you my trust. You took it so that you could drown me. Now I'm swimming in cash, I done got to the bag, had to cut out